First, the news headlines. 14 hurt in police action in Imphal during protests against Baby Sana's death. Second edition of Tangmai Festival celebrated in Churachandpur. And IPFT delegation meets BGP leadership over statehood demand movement. Hello and good evening, I'm ONEL Samanduram giving you the Times of Manipur English News. Now the news in details. Students of Imphal College, Kwakathil today clashed with cops near Tidim ground as they took out a protest rally to submit a memorandum to the Chief Minister demanding fair prop into Baby Sana's case. At around 12 noon, the protesting students were approaching towards Chief Minister's bungalow when a team of police blocked them near the Tidim ground at Kwakathil, where the police fired mock bombs and tear gas shells in their efforts to quell them. The student protesters were chanting slogans while battling the police, in which 4 students were injured. They were identified as Irungbam Ananjoy of Fumlo, Sophia Nongmaithem of Churachandpur, Gurumayum Satis of Nambol Sabalekai, and Binju Pukrambam of Ngaikong Kulen.
Hey, everybody, go on, let's come on.
Similar protests were held at different places of Imphal, during which 10 others were injured when they clashed with cops, a report said. Actors R.K. Somendro, popularly known as Kaiku, and Gokul, backed by several women protesters, today took to streets at Thangmaiban, threatening cops to put them in jail till the culprits in the mysterious death of Baby Sana are booked and justice is delivered to the girl and her family. As per reports, the police refused to arrest them. A huge human chain protest was staged at Thoubal District's Khongjom along Imphal Moray Road, seeking prompt justice for Baby Sana today. Baby Sana, a 13-year-old girl, allegedly committed suicide in the boarding of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, on July 18 last. Over 1,000 students of different schools of Khongjom area took part in the human chain protest. Today's protest was held under the banner of All Manipur Students Union, AMSU, Thoubal District Committee and AMSU Khongjom branch. Union volunteers also took part in the protest, during which they chanted slogans condemning the mysterious death of the class 7 student.
Baby Sana ki miyat asing kasi fawda sarkana putok ngamdre atupa matamda Baby Sana ki miyat putok natragadi satra ma ju AMSU ko mari lena ba student gena asak pakang ba
boina Baby Sana ki harasiya sakhe aduna sarkar ki pali ba sarkar sina Baby Sana ki harasiya putok ajage aduga akoi satra boina yamna nungai ni ma sigi harasi atupa matamda putok ka bana satra ba ko boina jang kya chanchalakani hai.
Members of Northeast India Development Party (NEIDP) Manipur State today staged a sit-in protest condemning the mysterious death of Baby Sana Chanu in front of the party office gate at Sagolban Tera Sapam Lekai. President of NEIDP Manipur State NG Bijoy urged the authority concerned to solve Baby Sana's case at the earliest possible so that peace and harmony prevails in the state. He said due to the various forms of agitation seeking justice for the girl, many innocent people have been hurt, especially the students.
Kari investigation tauge do khoi gi domain de lejide taubi ba yaba taubiraga achumba wayal ma puthopiraga di yam thuna pubira di manga dori ba satra satri mayama lising mugena tami hai sigi mayama sigi mapunsi jisu mo gi student gi life career adu mang dana ba adu masu aikoina yamna pamjabadagi sigi ngasigi dharna si aikoi multi prawns attack ki type da koi
Meanwhile, Lalambung Takhelambam Leka Youth Development Organization LTYDO, Mairapaibis of Lalambung Makong Takhelambam Lekai and Apun Manupilup of Lalambung Makong also jointly organized a rally hunger strike in front of the office gate of Lalambung Takhelambam Lekai Youth Development Organization. Yaripok branch today held the protest rally at Yaripok Bazaar of Thobal district. Several school students of the area took part in the rally, during which they chanted slogans condemning the state government's alleged indifference attitude towards Baby Sana's case. The second edition of Tangmai Cucumber Festival, organized by the Young Party Association, was celebrated at YPA General Headquarters Hall, Hyangtam, Lamka, Churachandpur today. About 10,000 pieces of organic cucumbers grown in the hills were collected and displayed during the festival. Horticulture Minister T. Shyam Kumar, Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian and Chairman ADC Churachandpur T. Paukhalian graced the event. Speaking on the sidelines of the event, Minister Shyam Kumar urged each and everyone to cultivate the habit of producing organic food, saying depending on chemical-based foods cause health issues. The theme of the festival was unity through knowledge, culture and identity. Minister Shyam Kumar also said the festival not only provides a better opportunity for the farmers but also promotes their products, which in turn support and boost them morally. He also urged the public to depend on the indigenous products of the state farmers.
Brahmadagi purapa apple chemical contaminated of the site. Asodai purapa rotan loiba akogi photo site akogi original portion si koi sawa si pak yake. Aduna kamai to Manipur da diabetes kwai naba meat pudaba cancer na si karigino da adum rotten fish. Mapanagi nga pusla kane chemical preservation hapa miwi bena sabi apa ki sangda preserve tong hap da mam excess hapa ko epan du sari epan si sari yang kan da koina ama ba how da bane ba adu akogi pineapple akogi tangmai akogi mairen de akogi pan adagi akogi toman ba masagi put me am da koi si sawali da let's start to support to encourage our farmer.
Minister V. Hankalian said a proposal of Rs 550 crore project for the welfare of the farmers had been submitted to the centre, adding that steps for cultivation of maize and soya in hilltops will be taken up under the project.
Communication khara pagalle maramaduna shuaida othok singse produce singse zone ba khara ngamba jangla ba maduna pamlo uba mi sing lo mi sing mateng oizari bani maramaduna shuai town manung dal leba ichai nau sing maru mapang sing na jing dal leba imai pa sing iche ichal sing gi awa ba makhoi gi kumang se kaya thok na sigumba pothok thokan bano haibu ikoi ningsingphom thoi.
A 15-member delegation of Indigenous Peoples Federation of Tripura IPFT visited the Siliguri headquarters of Bharatiya Gorkha Parisangha BGP today. The delegation met the BGP Secretary General Nirmal Pan and its General Secretary Akash Lama and discussed various aspects of the statehood demand movement. Carving out a separate Tripura-land state from Tripura for Tripasa people has been a long-standing demand of IPFT. BGP is spearheading the Gorkhaland movement intellectually and supporting the agitation fronts on the ground with intellectual intervention. Now let's head to a short break, but coming up, condolences pour in for Manipur photojournalist Fanjobom Santos.
lamjingba finance na makhal kaya gi khudong chaba pijari document ichang changdana loan lobi ba yaragani lemna consultation tauba athuba matamda approval tauba line singatpa yaraba loan singi khudong chaba pijari ba loan makhal singdi business loan, machinery loan, loan against property, vehicle loan, two-wheeler, four-wheeler, crank amadi electronic loan asina chingmani akupa morol gidama contact tobiyo lamjingba finance Nagamapal Rims Road Imphal contact number 7085831502 natraga 7085311438 natraga 9366499803. Manipur ihan hanbo oina lamjingba jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tawbagi khudong chaba pijari adom gi leijariba sanada yauriba alloy amadi elements kaya gi chang marik chumna accurate quality amadi quantity ga loina na khanganba ngamlagani lamjingba jewelry na pijariba khudong chaba asi lobi ho adom gi sana adu sengi natraga sengdi haiba gi chingnaba du kokhanbiyo akupa marol gi damak lamjingba jewelry da lengsinbirao.
Lamjingba Jewelry, good quality is our priority.
Sheer dreams in her eyes, dreams to fly, dream to bring a smile. Thanks AHM for making our dreams come true. AHM, a complete air hostess training institute.
Welcome back. Well-known senior photojournalist of Manipur, Fanjobom Santos, passed away following a brief illness at his Wangkai Mahobam Lampak in Imphal East district at around 5 p.m. yesterday. He was 57 and survived by his mother, wife and 2 children. Santos was in fact known among the entire media fraternity across the Northeast. Santos started clicking photos in 1974 and became a freelance photojournalist in 1980. And later, he became first Reuters photographer from Manipur. Born on March 1, 1962 at Wangkai Mahobam Lampak, Imphal East, Santos began contributing photographs to different local, national and international newspapers, magazines and news agencies as a freelance photojournalist in the early 1980s. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has expressed shock and deep sadness over the sudden and untimely demise of senior photojournalist Fanjobom Santos, who died due to an ailment on August 9. In his condolence message, the Chief Minister stated that the state has lost an experienced, courageous, energetic and upright photojournalist. The Chief Minister further added that Santos, during his illustrious career spanning over 40 years, was associated with many reputed media houses like Reuters, Press Trust of India and Northeast Sun Extra. Condoling the death of the senior photojournalist, N. Biren also expressed solidarity with the bereaved family at this time of sorrow. He also prayed that his soul may rest in peace in heavenly abode. Meanwhile, the members of Manipur Hill Journalists Union (MHJU) also deeply condoled the sudden demise of senior photojournalist Santos Fanjobom and expressed deepest condolences and prayer to the bereaved family members. All Jiribam Working Journalists Union condoled the untimely demise of journalist Fanjobom Santos. He was 57. He died at his Wangkai Mehobom Lampak residence, Imphal East, yesterday. An Amju press release said that Let Santos was a photojournalist of Press Trust of India, PTI, and had also contributed in international journalism. It mentioned that his untimely demise is a great loss to the media fraternity and extended condolences to the bereaved family. Moving on, District Administration of Kaching today conducted a full rehearsal parade for the upcoming Independence Day celebration at the playground of DSA Kaching. The upcoming Independence Day celebration in the district will be attended by Deputy Commissioner of Kaching, Valentina Arambam, as the chief guest. According to a correspondent, today's rehearsal parade was conducted under the command of Deputy Superintendent of Police Operations Kaching Police, Hidangmayum Rameshwar Sharma. Altogether, 26 contingents comprising of police, school students, ICDs and ASA workers participated in the parade. CH Pason Aimol has been crowned the 8th king of Unapal village in Chandal district, which is one of the oldest Aimol villages in the state, during a coronation ceremony held at the community hall of Unapal village. As a part of the ceremony, MLA of Technopal constituency, who was also the chief guest of the event, D. Korungthang, crowned the new king. In this regard, MLA Korungthang appealed to the gathering to preserve all tradition and show respect to senior citizens. Well, another break, but coming up, Hongnemba Festival, also known as All Manipur Multilingual Cultural Festival, begins. More after the break.
Welcome to SRM IST Delhi NCR Campus, Ghaziabad, India's most trusted educational institute. Be a part of success and let's go ahead.
Studio 11, India's favorite salon and spa, now at Imphal. Studio 11, Salon and Spa, Imphal. Look fabulous. Fitness World Building, Singzamai Mathak Chongtham Lekai, Imphal West. Phone number 0385 2440164. Gitam University, Visakhapatnam da BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital leizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure: BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to fourth year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility: BSc class 12 pass, physics, chemistry, biology and English 60% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tobiba yagani. Subnataki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidamak contact tobirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 60090622261 natraga 87940262277. Welcome back. The first Hongnemba Festival, also known as All Manipur Multilingual Cultural Festival Contest 2019, organized by Academy of Performing Arts Thobal, has kick-started today at the Thobal Mela ground community. Director of Jain Dance Academy, Imphal L. Upendro, inaugurated the 3-day festival. Associate Member of Indian Solidarity Council, New Delhi, Dr. Koijam Priya Kumar, and retired Assistant Director of Sai Takyal, Konsam Michael, were the main guests on the occasion. Speaking during the event, Director Upendro said the present generation have inherited the rich culture and folklore passed down by the forefathers. However, the youths lack interest in preserving the cultural and heritage, he added. He also pointed out that the ancestors used to maintain human value and educational value.
On the occasion, national level awardees of Academy of Performing Arts were honored by presenting simple gifts. It may be mentioned that the Academy of Performing Arts Taubal is associate members of International Dance Council CID UNESCO Paris. To mark the upcoming Patriots Day, All Manipur State Sumang Lila Council is hosting an event where Manipuri play Maraibak Ningba Kwereng Sana will be staged for the 8th time at Iboyaima Sumang Lila Sanglen on 13th August. The play is directed by Padma Shri Naba Warepa. This play is based on yesteryear's stage play titled B. Tikendrajit, said Naba Warepa. He urged the public to come and enjoy the play.
Pareng ama sagalaga wari ama lina na ba ngasigi mi simaktada akoi ngasi thorang tawjariba Maraibak Ningba Kwereng Sana PS Gunachandra Sarmana ibiba asi akoi hujik present tawranaba thorang jari mamang sahi gumna handiki sahi sirasu Manipur da leiriba section khudingmaki ipacha irilu singna lengbira e hairaga Sumang Lila Council na tawjariba asibu akoi mayam punna nungai minaba yaba adugumba thawram amani aina khanbiraga.
Fueling Cultural Organization Imphal organized the state-level Jalirong Folk Song Festival 2019 at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today. The festival was held on the theme Preservation of Jalirong Culture for Identity and Unity under the sponsorship of Directorate of Arts and Culture, Government of Manipur. Attending the event as Chief Guest, Secretary of State Kala Academy L. Kishwarjit stressed on the importance of folk songs in today's society considering its past historical significance in every community. He also underlined the need of learning folk culture in knowing one's identity.
Science sometimes folklore the yoga, folk song, folk music, the folk dance the yoga,
Manipuri Students Federation MSF today conducted Athauba Pebam Chitaranjan Open Debating Competition 2019 at Waikomani Girls College, Taubal. The debate was held on the topic AFSPA 1958 is Human Right Violation Law. Taubal District Police, led by Superintendent of Police Dr. S. Ibomcha, conducted a cleanliness drive at Thangjeng along Imphal Moray Road ahead of 73rd Independence Day celebration. Khongjom Police, Wangjing Police, Officer in charge of Taubal Police, Additional SP T.H. Deshwarjit, DSP S. Sachidananda, officials of 3rd IRB and representatives of Wangjing Municipal Council attended the program. As a part of Green Mission Manipur, Taubal Forest Division and Hyanglam Jila Parishad jointly organized a tree plantation cum awareness program at Hyanglam Waikomlekai today. Chief Conservator of Forest T.H. Mahendra Pratap and Brand Ambassador of Green Mission Manipur, Ilangbam Valentina, planted several saplings during the program. Forest Department also presented Valentina with simple gifts out of encouragement. Today's event was also attended by Conservator of Central Forest Division L. Joy Kumar Singh, Hianglam Jila Parishad member Ilangbam Ranjana and others. In this regard, Chief Conservator of Forest Mahendra Pratap said that the event was held to motivate Valentina, the brand ambassador of Green Mission Manipur, and also as an effort to keep a check on global warming.
brand ambassador ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯄꯣꯛꯏ ꯑꯩꯅ brand ambassador ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯉꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯆꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯛꯊꯈꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯀꯣꯛꯊꯣꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯃꯛ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯎ ꯊꯥꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯎꯁꯦ ꯊꯥꯕꯗꯩ ꯀꯛꯄꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯖꯜꯂꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯎ ꯊꯥꯕꯗ ꯎ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯜꯂꯗꯤ ꯎ ꯀꯨꯟ ꯊꯥꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
Manipur ki Green Mission ki brand ambassador ba ki janape Ilangbam village nagalwinera koi miyam se lamdam sigi amadi forest department ki koi ki staff sing officers sing alwinera usi thaminabne ab idea de koi ki angang sing na khali wakhan se koi mipum khuding wana Manipur ki miyam puram khanba koi tangai fadre haidi uski technology ba samesya se climate change tholi ba sing ase ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯡꯁꯪ ꯁꯪꯅ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯐꯝꯗ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯥꯡ ꯑꯇꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯗꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯉꯥꯛꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯊꯣꯛ ꯄꯣꯠꯊꯣꯛ ꯋꯥꯠꯇꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯦꯁ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯠꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯊꯧꯕꯥꯜ ꯐꯣꯔꯦꯁ ꯗꯤꯕꯤꯖꯟ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯖꯔꯕꯦꯇꯔ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯁꯔꯀꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯆꯕ
Now let's move on to the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express 19 hours bund brings normal life to complete halt. Education as 6 suggestions. Manipur people against CAP reiterates anti-CAP stand. Post-mortem of Babisana held in front of Keys, says police. The People's Chronicle. Testimonies of family needed to bring out truth, says IGP. Manipur people against CAP memo to PM opposes CAB. CSOs serve ultimatum over staff shortage at Sanapati Hospital. Strike cripples normal life. Landoni scheme scops protesters. 10 held, 20 more line up to court arrest. Imphal Free Press. General strike paralyzes Manipur. Police foils torch rally. 5 left injured, 2 arrested. Public need to cooperate with police instead of trying to hamper investigations, says Clay. Cause of Babisana's death might be due to depression. People's Democratic Alliance on R.N. Ravi's assurance. Northeast Forum for Indigenous People NEFIP submits memorandum against CAB to NE governors, to Northeast governors, Prime Minister.
And before we wind up the top stories once again. "14 hurt in police action in Imphal during protest against Babisana's death." Second edition of Tangmai Festival celebrated in Churachandpur. And IPFT delegation meets BJP leadership over statehood demand movement. That's all for now. Stay tuned to Times of Manipur.